You know those tips that get passed down from generation to generation? In today's video, we're going to show you some tricks that will make a big difference in how you clean from now on. Cleaning is not always easy, especially when we don't have that much time. And you don't have to go out and buy every cleaning product on the market. You can just use a few ingredients that everyone has at home, and it'll be easier than you ever imagined. Also, as you know, most of the products sold in supermarkets can be harmful for our health and the health of the planet. If you want to deep clean your house, here are 7 natural tricks that will make everything shine. Clean your couch with baking powder. Did you know that baking powder is the perfect natural ingredient for cleaning upholstery and carpets? All you do is sprinkle the upholstery with the powder, let it sit overnight, and then vacuum it the next day. Remove stubborn stains by wiping them with a damp sponge soaked in baking powder. Clean oily pans with vinegar and baking soda. Fill the pan with water, add a glass of white vinegar, and place the mixture over low heat. Once it's boiling, take it off the heat and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Pour out the water and scrub the oily part until it disappears. Get rid of fur with rubber gloves. Do you use rubber gloves when you wash the dishes or use chemicals? Put on those gloves and run your hands all over your carpet or upholstery. Your glove will be covered in hair and your furniture will look like new. Clean the tile grouts on your floor. Want to clean the tiles on your floor? Just use a detergent container, white vinegar, and baking soda. Fill up half the container with the white vinegar and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Wet the grout with the mixture and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing. Clean your microwave. Put a bowl of water with a few lemon peels in the microwave and let it heat up for a little bit. Then just wipe the steam off the inside of the microwave and you're done. Make sure your windows shine. Window cleaning is one of the most boring chores ever. The problem is that most products leave stains on the glass. So besides a good product, it's important to have a good technique. Try starting with the frames, then fill a bucket with warm water and add a few drops of detergent and alcohol. Now just clean the windows as normal. Get rid of the musty smell in your cabinets and wardrobes. You can get rid of that stale stench and cabinet smell easily if you use the following mixture. Mix 1 part white vinegar and 1 part alcohol into a spray bottle. Spray throughout your cabinet on the mildew stains and wipe clean with a damp cloth. There you go. If you use these tips, cleaning the house becomes a more practical and easy task. In addition, natural products protect your health and the environment. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.